So, hi, good evening guys. Let's do some, so I just took a bath and now I'm gonna do some skincare. So, first, no, after you wash your face, uh, after I wash my face, I put the Pond's Bright Pore Conditioning Toner. Yeah, so actually, di ko talaga alam kung anong use ng toner. Nasanay na lang ako na lagi merong toner. And I don't, hindi naman ako may pizza brand, pero ang mga na-try ko na I think I tried an Eye White brand, so it's a Korean brand. And now, I went back to Pond's toner kasi parang naturally kahit ko lang ilagay ko meron akong konting blush or nagiging medyo rosy yung cheeks ko. Ayan, so and I don't use cotton ever since kasi I learned parang yung toner din kasi it's also some kind of a serum. So it's meant to be absorbed, parang ganun. So I don't use cotton. And kasi feeling ko nasasayang lang yung product when we use cotton kasi mostly doon na pupunta sa cotton. I don't know. Alright, so after that, I put, so eto medyo matagal ako nag-stop kasi like for, I don't know, siguro for like a few weeks hindi ako religiously nag-skincare. But now I'm, you know, since nasa mid-30s na tayo, we have to take care of our skin. Not to, so my goal now is not to look young, but to look my best whatever age na nasan ako. Yun lang. I mean, alright, anyway, I'm a firm believer that a little something makes a big difference. So, I use Olay Age Protect. Mabibili to kahit saan, guys. I mean, sa grocery or pharmacy. So, dati, no, matagal ko na ginagamit to. Dati, 149 pesos lang siya. Because of inflation, nasa 167, 168 na lang siya. Ganun. So, I mean, na siya pala. So, nagmahal din ng almost 20 pesos. Ayun. So, it reduces look of dark spots, reduces look of wrinkles, improves skin tone. So, wala lang. I counted my wrinkles. I have 9 wrinkles. So, like, meron akong 4 or 3 to 4 wrinkles dito. Tapos, at least 2 to 3 wrinkles magkabilang eye. So, mga 9. Ayan, T-size lang. So, a little of something makes a big difference. Tapos, konting rub lang para hindi masayang, hindi mapunta sa palm. No, some people do this, yung mga dots. Ako, siguro, because I'm a guy, gusto ko mabilisan lang. So, just a little rub, tapos nandiyan pa rin siya. Tapos, ayan. Just how I put my toner then. So, I usually do this. I don't know. Ganito na lang kasing nasanayan kong paglagay. And I also put sa ears. Huwag kakalimutan ng ears natin, guys, when you do skincare. Especially sunblock. Kasi, lagyan mo rin yung ears mo na konti kasi nabibilad din yung ears. Okay, and what I learned is you do not only take care of your face but also your neck. Kasi yung neck, yung isa sa mga parts ng body na mapapansin na basta na tumatanda ka na kasi isa siya sa parang nangungulubot or something. And of course, the hands, pinaka hindi masyadong nangungulubot even though when you reach very old age are your legs. Yeah, so, okay lang, hindi ko masyadong inano yung legs ko kasi biologically, naturally, hindi siya masyadong nagmumukha ng pang matandang legs. Anyway, alright, done with the toner and with the cream. Next, very important, eye cream. So ito, ang tagal ko na ginagamit. I'm not sure kung, I think parang pangalawa ko na to eh. Parang nakaubos ako nito before. And then, somehow I like the results. No, even though ma-eyebags ako, puffy, maitim, sometimes I tell my friends yung eyebags ko, may sariling eyebags, and medyo wrinkles na rin ako. Among the eye creams that I've tried, parang ito yung pinaka-gusto ko. I don't know. So it's an eyelid cream from Quick FX. Formulated in Korea, made in the Philippines. Yung Olay pala. So itong eye cream, formulated in Korea, made in the Philippines. Yung Olay, made in Thailand. Tapos yung Pond's, ito made in the Philippines. Alright, so ito yung pinky finger ko yung ginagamit ko kasi very sensitive yung eye natin. So parang huwag mong diinan, parang hindi masyadong madiinan kasi very sensitive yung eye area. So what I do, I just put ganyan, tapos spread ko lang below the eyes hanggang dito sa may wrinkle part. And then sa may eyelid ko, tapos I just do this, yung top. Yan. Top. So, as you observe, hanggang dito ko siya nilalagay. Kasi di ba may wrinkles din yan. So, sa kabila. Then, spread lang. And then, the eyelid. Tapos, top. Hanggang dito. Ayan, top. Ganyan. Parang di masyadong lilinyain ito. There. So, tapos na tayo sa toner, sa face, sa cream, sa eye cream. Next is for the lips. No? So, ito namang ring finger yung nagamitin ko. Vaseline Lip Care. Yeah. Kasi lagi nagbabalik yung lips ko. Sa morning naman, I use Nivea na my sunscreen for the lips. Kasi, like yung ears, yung lips natin, nabibilad din. Ayan, okay. So, finally, what do I have? What else do I have here? Okay. So finally, for the hair, no? So tinatamad ako kahit saan na lang yan. Usually may routine ako. I mean, very organized yung paglagay ko nito. Pero ngayon, since medyo tinatamad ako, kahit saan na lang. So yan, drop lang, drop ka lang. Drop. Mamaya sasabihin ko sa inyo kung ano itong ilalagay ko sa hair. Okay. Sa likod din, syempre. I think marami na ako nakaganit. Okay, sige. Pwede na yan. So, ito, from the Body Shop, Ginger Scalp Serum for 5-week hair. So, as early as now. Tapos, pagkalagay mo na, i-rub mo lang siya. Ganyan. Bruh. So may ginger siya. Tapos bumili rin ako ng conditioner niyan sa The Body Shop. Ubos na. Ubos siya. Tapos napansin ko, siguro kasi kaya ako bumili niyan. Kasi lagi naglalagas yung hair ko. Tapos tinanong ko yung nasa Body Shop kung ano yung magandang para sa naglalagas ng hair. Tapos sabi na ito. So, I don't know, maybe ginger helps. Nabawasan yung paglalagas ng hair ko. And napansin ko, medyo kumapal din yung hair ko. I think the strands, medyo kumapal siya. Ayan, so, spray ko lang. This is my favorite side. Ayan. Hindi ako pwedeng maggantong side kasi marami akong pop nut. Hindi siya nakakalbo na or nakakalot. Mga yan, deklat yan ng mga nakaraan. Marami akong pop nut yan. If you know what that is. Ayan. So basically, that's it. That's my skincare routine. Nightly skincare routine. I'll try to make video then some morning, although basically in morning ko isama ko. So that's it. Thank you guys and good night.